Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And my business or business plan writing tip of the day is brought to my Madison, Wisconsin area business owners. And today's topic, what we're going to be focused on is company branding. What it is, why it's important, where does it go in a business plan? All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this short little PowerPoint presentation that I have designed for your listening and viewing pleasure. So again, Paul Borosky, MBA, Quality Business Plan. Today's topic is company branding. What is it? Company branding is how your customer perceives your organization. So some businesses, they want to be perceived as a pillar in the industry, so they'll do community service. Other businesses, they want to be perceived as a low price leader, so their products are going to be priced lower than the competitors. Some business owners, they don't even think about branding, and they just start their business and they just go about their day performing what is natural to them. In my most humble of opinions, when you want to do company branding, there's definitely specific ways to go about it to ensure that the customers perceive your business as you want them to perceive it. So for example, if we think about an attorney, one popular logo for an attorney is the scale of justice, where they've got that little thing with the two arms and two scales on each side of it, or two plates on each side of it, and it's weighing, the scales of justice or whatever that is. So, that perception right there, when an attorney uses that, it's supposed to say that the attorney is fair, or that, they represent justice and so on and so forth. So that's one way to go ahead and create or start for company branding. Another way is to come up with a catchy slogan. For example, Richard Branson's slogan is "Screw it, let's do it." And that is supposed to convey to their customers and even their employees that they're an entrepreneurial-minded business. Also, a great way to go ahead and create company branding is through services performed. If you do a great service or a very quick service and it's short, sweet, to the point, or you have products and you deliver some great quality products and you stand behind your products, well, that is another way to do company branding. So when you are doing company branding, you can come up with all these great ideas, but you actually need somewhere to put it. And a great place to put your company branding ideas is in your business plan. For example, when you're writing your operations section of the business plan, think of it from the perspective of what you want your customers to perceive. What do you want your company brand to be? And make sure to include elements of company branding in your operations section. Also, your marketing section is a great place to build your company brand. When you're designing your marketing strategies, what do you want the customer to walk away with about your company brand or about your company? And then those are the types of messages you want to focus on and document in your marketing section. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. That's it. Let's wrap it up, sum it up, call it a day. If y'all do need some help writing a business plan, my information's right here. For more information, more information for business plan writing tips, visit my website, qualitybusinessplan.com, or my website that's designed for Madison area business owners. All right, have a great day. Go out, make a little bit of money, and subscribe and give me a like on YouTube. Thank you.